Hi, in this 3-minute video, we'll take a closer look at the benefits of a 24x30 garage from Allen's Factory Outlet, how it can be customized to meet your needs, and installed for free. We'll also share customer testimonials to make it even more real. So sit back, relax, and discover why you should get that garage. Let's go. Before we start, don't forget to click on subscribe and turn on notifications. That way, you'll be the first to know about new videos from Allen's Factory Outlet to help you choose your garage wisely. Alright, now, the benefits of having a 24x30 garage are numerous. You'll have extra storage space, a workspace for projects, a place to park vehicles, or even an additional living area. With a 24x30 garage, you can create the space you need for your hobbies, work, or play. But what garage company should you trust? Here's why Allen's Factory Outlet is your best option. Reason number 1. Full customization. You can use our 3D builder to choose the color you want, the roof you want, and more features like windows, doors, and much more. That way, you can create a more comfortable and functional space for your needs. Reason number 2. Free installation. Setting up a garage is a big and expensive task. At Allen's Factory Outlet, the installation is free. You save both time and money, and you get the best garage. This is our way of showing that we care. Reason number 3. Hassle-free payment. You only need to pay a small deposit when you order your garage at Allen's Factory Outlet, and you pay the rest upon delivery. This means you don't have to worry about paying the full amount up front. Plus, you can have peace of mind knowing that we use only high-quality materials for our garages, which are made to order in the USA. But don't take our word for it. Listen to what our satisfied customers have to say about their garages.
The insulation on this thing is awesome. That's R18 on there on the side. If anybody's thinking about getting an Allen's Factory, definitely go with the insulation. Do the right thing and get that. It's critical. It's perfect. I'd absolutely recommend Allen's Factory to anybody who's thinking about getting more space.
One of my neighbors stopped to admire it and compliment it, and he was surprised that we was able to find the exact color of our house. I would definitely recommend Allen's Factory Outlets. They did a great job for us.
More than 12,000 customers like Jim, Thomas, and Carrie have had a great experience with Allen's Factory Outlet. And you could be next. Get a 24x30 garage today for way less than most people pay. We can help you save thousands of dollars. Whenever you're ready, visit our website at allensfactoryoutlet.com to start customizing your garage. There's a link in the description. We'll see you there.